Alright y'all, what is going on? Welcome to another episode, and in today's video we are going out on a charter. We went on vacation and part of that was for my buddy's birthday, and for his birthday we decided to go out on a charter. His friend is a charter, Tony's People. I'll leave his link and his information all in the description below, so if you guys want to book yourself a charter up in Fernandino Beach or Amelia Island where it's located, go ahead and go check him out. He is a great guy. He put us on some fish, as you'll see. A little bit different a style of fishing for me that I'm not used to, but like I said in the last video, I'm trying to be diverse and I'm trying to diversify this channel for you guys. We had some bad conditions the day before, so we had no idea what to expect going into this charter, but we all caught fish, we all had fun, and that's really all you can hope for on a charter. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, comment, share, do all that good YouTube stuff. Let's get into the video. You excited? I love the enthusiasm. Viable. Buddy. There he is. Cole, that's you, buddy. Okay. Cole, that's you, buddy. Hey, that's a good one, Cole. That's a good one, dude. Hey, give me the camera. Get the big camera out.
I think he's in that one. Had another bite on this one.
On which one? This one? On this one?
I had a nibble on it a second ago.
Yeah, Trevor.
Up, easy.
Yeah.
Real.
There you go, Cole. Come on, Cole.
Nice.
Oh.
Come on, Cole. Gotta slide your rod towards me. What are we looking at?
Now it's really like me and Trevor fishing. You got tangled. You got tangled up. Now it's just like back home.
On this one here?
Okay, Cole. Okay. Keep going.
This is a little bit bigger than a bass.
Big as a Cole?
Big enough I'm about to go get the net.
Get the net. Get the net.
We don't play with that.
Oh, it's a shark.
Oh, it's a shark.
Dang those jughead.
Hey, it's a fish. Yay, Cole got a shark.
It's a little bonnethead, right?
Yep.
Yay, Cole.
Gotcha.
Woohoo.
Yeah, just throwing it in something regular.
You smack.
All right.
I saw that thing dangling. You got one?
Yep.
Ryan.
Me?
Or you.
Am I the only one who knows how to handle one like this? Oh yeah, it's a drummer, right? No, you gotta make its maker. It's not that big. It ain't that big. Doesn't feel that big.
The big ones don't fight as hard as the little ones.
Yeah, it's a drum. Casey, go get the big camera.
I got you recording on that.
Woo! Oh, yeah, that's 110% a drum.
Yeah, way big.
Yeah.
For you.
This ain't my first rodeo. I got you.
Yep.
Oh yeah, nice little drum.
What's up with all these cameras? Okay.
That's a baby.
Good eating size there. Grab them rods right there and pick them up, pull them over my head. That's a baby compared to what we've been catching out here. It's a good one though. Yeah. Look at that.
Looky there.
Yes sir, yes
deal,
sir.
Nice fry.
Yes, sir.
It's a pretty good one, baby.
Yeah. Little fun sized drum right there.
Casey, please don't fall over.
I got it. I'm
Here's
good.
drumming. That's good, buddy. There you go, Trevor. There you go, Trevor. Oh, they got a shark.
There you go.
Take your time, buddy.
They swim right to the boat.
It's a good one, Trevor.
Boat on it.
Come on, Trevor.
Shot the doe and they got mad.
Yay, Trevor!
Yeah, oh, you're greedy.
That means you two are next.
He's
Got to land this, though. Does it feel like a drum?
He got a big old catfish. If he's got catfish, I'm gonna die.
Go over the boat. Go over the,
Around the motor.
yeah.
Hold your rod way over there.
That's a big drum, dude. Good job.
That's a shark.
Oh, you think it's a shark?
Yeah. Just the way he's fighting and running.
Man.
Yeah, that and I dumped the guts in the creek. I asked the vice president.
Come on, Trevor. Don't let him work you.
Yep. Figure the bonnet.
Ayo!
Get a little more. Give it a little slide. Just pull it out. Pull it out a little bit.
Trevor's trying to understand how to work a conventional. How do you do it?
Good deal, Trevor.
Yay! Yay! Go Trevor!
There you go, bud.
How much, baby?
Is it me?
If he's on there.
There you go.
Is it a drum?
I don't think yet.
Looks like a drum, right?
Oh, good one.
Come on, Case.
Wait!
You gotta. Oh my gosh, Case, you reel it, reel
Wait,
it.
I can't. Hold on. There we go.
Put it between the legs.
Over top of the engine.
Yeah, go on top. Good job. Good job, Case.
Kind of grab him rod. Over here.
Oh my Lanza. You gotta reel, Case. Come
I'm
on.
trying, right?
Pull up easy. Look here. Pull up easy and reel down. Pull up easy. When he's running, just let him run.
There you go. That one good.
I'm a very tiny person.
That's not a drum, you think? That's a good drum, Case.
Just easy. Don't steady reel. Stop. See the line's going out? Just let it go out. And then pull up easy.
That's a good.
And now reel down. Keep the rod bent. Now stop. Pull up easy. There you go. It's like the turtle in the hare. You ain't got to be the fastest. I hate these little ones.
Oh my word, baby. That's a good drum right there.
Oh!
He got you in a rock, probably.
Broke the line. No, I didn't get the rock.
Just broke the line?
Broke it.
Oh,
Dang it, man.
that was a big one, too. That thing didn't even hit the bottom. Is he on there still? I don't know if that was a whiting bite. That didn't look like a whiting bite. He's on there still, it looks like.
No. I ain't coming back down.
All right, so
Yeah,
Sarah, it's you, Sarah.
you got it.
He's on there still. That's him.
Yay! Come on, Sarah.
Watch out, Trevor. Let's go, Sarah.
Yay!
Is he fighting like a shark? Oh, yeah.
Walk backward. Reel a couple more times.
Yes, sir. All right, Sarah.
Yay!
Oh. So feeling like him or whiting? Oh.
Casey.
Casey. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Big whiting.
You got a fish, it's a fish. Reel.
Come on, Case.
What you got?
Slow down a little bit. Sea bass.
Little sea bass, how about that? You've never caught one of those.
Keeper size.
He's not 13.
Look at that, Casey, you got a fish. Cool looking, right?
You can just hold him right around here like I got right behind the gills. And squeeze. Now just squeeze.
Good deal. They got a rock.